Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a free logo without Photoshop. So if you don't have any technical skills or experience in design, don't worry because you can actually still do this. So you want to go to a website called Canva. Once you're on this website, you should be able to click on Create a Design in the top right corner, and then right there you should find logo. You want to click on that, and this will send you over to this page where you can start creating your logo. Now what I like about this website is that you don't need any skills. You can use their templates to create a good looking logo. As you can see right there, you'll have all of these logo templates that you can start using. For example, we have gaming logos, we have a badge logo, art and design logo, and if I just scroll down or click on, let's see, yeah, just scroll down, you find an entire list of logos that you can start using and customizing. So you can click on see all as well in a category, or you can simply search for a different category as well. Now let's say that for now I'll just go with the badge logo ones. I can click on see all right there. I can then scroll down and find all of these templates. Now one thing I want to mention though is that not all of the templates are free to use. If you hover on them and you'll find free in the bottom right corner, that means that it's free to use and you can just customize it. If it doesn't say that, it means that it's a paid template and you would have to pay about €1 in order to actually use that. For now though, I'll just find a logo that I like and I'll start customizing it to show you what that looks like. Let's see. For example, let's say I kind of like this one. You click on it. Is it a free one? Yes, it is. Right now you can actually start customizing everything on here. So all you need to do is select the shape or the text or the background, and you can then right there click on the color. You can then customize the color. For example, if I want an orange background, you do that. If you want to change the text color or you want to change the font, you select it and you then simply change it, just like that. So this is where you can customize your logo, kind of like this font, so we'll go with that. But you can see where this is going, right? You can customize all of this, and this is pretty much how you can create a logo for free without Photoshop. So you can change the text. For example, if I want to have a how to digital logo, you type in how to digital, just like that. You can then change the font size to make that fit, just like that maybe. Nope. There you go. So yeah, you can see where this is going, right? Choose a template on here. Once again, you don't have to choose a badge logo. You can choose all of these and then start customizing them. For example, this one, you pretty much choose it. You then type in whatever you want to type in, right? How to digital, just like that. And there you go. You would have a logo within a couple of minutes without Photoshop or any technical skills. So if this video helps you out, leave a like on the video. Let me know in the comments down below if you're going to use this to make a logo, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.